Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And give the video a comment, helps it out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. There, the YouTube overlords have got me to say what I needed to say on to today's video, and it's really simple to do. It's a lemonade dip. All right, first thing we need is about a tablespoon of lemon zest. You'll probably get this from approximately 2 lemons. If they're small, you may need to get a third. And then you want the juice of one of the lemons. And then you want to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then you want to add 7 to 8 ounces of marshmallow fluff, marshmallow cream, whatever you call it in your baking section. And the reason I said 7 to 8 ounces is they only come in one of the two. Mine came in a 7-ounce container. I know some places sell 8, but 1 ounce more or less isn't going to do anything. And last thing we have to add is 3 tablespoons of lemonade concentrate. You'll find this in the frozen concentrated juice section of your grocery store. Then just put the paddle attachment on and mix this around for about 60 seconds till everything is nice and combined. And then you just want to pour this into a deli container, leave it in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. And that's pretty much it. I will say this dip goes fantastic with vanilla wafers or Nilla wafers. And that's that. Lemonade dip. Done.